Master the art of using teleprompters. Hello language learners. Today we are going to dive into an important tool in public speaking and presentations: teleprompters. Teleprompters can help you deliver your speech seamlessly while maintaining natural eye contact with your audience. They play a crucial role in many professional presentations and speeches, so let's explore more about them. Teleprompters are electronic devices that display a speaker's script or notes. They're typically placed near a camera or audience, allowing the speaker to read their script while appearing to maintain eye contact with their audience. This helps to create a natural and engaging presentation, as the audience feels the speaker is speaking directly to them. In public speaking, teleprompters act as silent coaches, guiding you through your script and ensuring you don't miss any crucial points. Whether you're delivering a speech, conducting a seminar, or making a presentation, a teleprompter can help you stay on track. But remember, using a teleprompter should not inhibit your natural speaking style or engagement with the audience. Using a teleprompter effectively involves more than just reading the words on the screen. Here are some tips. 1. Practice. Before you deliver your presentation, practice using the teleprompter. This will help you get a feel for the speed and flow of the script. 2. Natural delivery. Try to make your delivery as natural as possible. Avoid reading word for word and use a conversational tone instead. Your audience should feel like you're speaking to them, not at them. 3. Pause and emphasize. Don't rush through your script. Take pauses, emphasize important points, and modulate your tone to keep your audience engaged. 4. Eye contact. Even though you're reading from a screen, strive to maintain eye contact with your audience. This makes your delivery seem more personal and engaging. Like any tool, teleprompters have their pros and cons. Pros: they help you stay on script, allow for a smooth delivery, and eliminate the fear of forgetting lines. Cons: they can make your delivery seem robotic if not used correctly, and reliance on them can inhibit your ability to improvise. Remember, the key is to use the teleprompter as a tool, not a crutch. That wraps up our discussion on teleprompters. This tool, when used effectively, can greatly enhance your public speaking and presentation skills. So, give it a try, practice, and soon enough, you'll be mastering the art of using teleprompters. Remember, the aim is to connect with your audience and deliver your message effectively, whether you're using a teleprompter or not. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.